Hi, and welcome to Python tutorial of how to convert PDF to a Word document. So I'm going to start by saying from PDF to doc import converter. So for your information, you guys will have to actually import this library. Okay, so I'm going to create my variable here. So I'm going to say file underscore convert underscore PDF. That's my variable. Whatever file I want to convert, I'm going to enter that file in there. Okay, so the next one is going to be the file that will convert it to Word. So let's copy this and just paste it in here. So I'm going to enter doc in here. There we go. So the file is not displayed yet. Okay, so to display the file, I'm going to go straight into my folder here. Okay, let's open the file that I intend to convert. Just click on that. There we go. So I'm going to just press F2, copy the name of that very file, paste it in here. That's the PDF file, that PDF. I'll be converting it back to a doc file. There, you just need to enter the file extension. Now the next thing is the function that will get it converted. I'm going to declare a variable here. I'll call it C equals converter. And what am I converting? I'm actually converting this file. So copy that, paste it right in here, and close the bracket. Now, I also want to then assign it to the C. So I'm going to come in here, C dot convert, and now converting it into a doc file. So copy the variable and just paste it right in here. And right underneath here, I'm now going to close C dot close, and that's it. Okay, let's save this file. Go to File, Save As, and now I'm going to save it right inside this folder here. Let's give it a name. Let's say py underscore pdf convert yt save. There we go. Right. If you guys notice, these are the files that I want to convert. This is the very file. So I'm going to run it now. So let's open that just to prove to you guys that yes, we are actually converting it into a Word document. So I'm going to drag this here. As you can see, there's no Word document in here. Right there, that was meant to be converted. Okay, so let's run it. And there we go, guys. Look at it, it's converting now. And that's it. It's converted the file right there. So if I double click on that file, that's in Word format now. There we go. The Word format is opening up. There. That is it in Word format. Okay, close that, and that's it in PDF format. Okay, so let's grab the name of this one, the number shuffle. I'm going to copy that and let's convert that. Let me show you guys the number shuffle though. That's the number shuffle. I do have a tutorial on this on YouTube. So I've closed that. Now close this compile file, enter the number shuffle here, and repeat the same thing here. Okay, so we now convert the number shuffle, but we have to save it first. So go straight here, File, and Save. As you can see here, the number shuffle as is now converted to a Word document. So if I double click on that, that's it. Number shuffle converted to Word document. I'm going to close that. Close this again. And let's see if I can speed up the whole process and try to grab the converter. There we go. Look at that. There. Okay. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. And please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. And bye for now.